Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to do the pregnancy test filter on the TikTok. So if you want to do this trend on the TikTok, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to download this application with the name of Remini. Once you will download and install it to your device, simply open it and you will see this type of the interface. So you have to click on AI photos, and then you have to click on the let's do it. Here you have to select female and click on the continue. Once you will do it, you have to upload your 8 selfies. So right now I have these demo pictures. Just to show you an example, you can upload your own images to get the results. Okay, once you will do it, okay, now click on the continue, and this is the pregnancy test picture. You have to click on it and click on the use this model image. So once you will pay for this application, you can easily download all the pictures, and then you have to open your TikTok and follow the trend. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.